Hello everyone, it's Fjord, and today I will show you how to install TWRP Boot Recovery to your Samsung Galaxy S4 i9505 international model. So here we have this model, and I will show you that in the settings, so you will make sure that this is correct, all information that So we go to software. This is model number, Android version, and we will also have to have a developer mode. So you have to go to baseband version and click, no, just a second, to build number and click for as many times as possible. I mean, like 6 times, 5 times approximately. So here we are in developer options, and we have to go to USB debugging and click on. So of course allow, and here we see it's popped up as a new one. Okay, so that's it. We go back, and now we'll have to have using Windows and get to you have to download the TWRP version, the latest one. So TWRP 3.2.3 GFLTEXX. This is the latest one version. There could be a better version, so we also can check that. But so what you have to do, you go to Google and then TWRP S4 E9505 and then just download. Go into here. So here we are. It's either here or some other web links are available. So we are here, and that's the link. That's actually the link for this TWRP Boot Recovery. So you can see that it's here, and just click it here, and you just download it. So you download that. Okay, so here we are, and we can open that. So that's basically the same. You can see what I have already, and now you also have to download the Odin version number 3. So you also go to the website, then click for Odin 3 Windows 10. So here are some websites, and for example, let's try this one. And this is quite good one, I remember, and it's very nice. So you just click for download, and here we are. You just save that, and here we have. So make sure to unzip it. Okay, extract all, extract. So here we are, that's in download. Okay, and also I recommend to run it as administrator. Okay, so allow that. Okay, that's just a warning, precautions. Okay, so here we have my computer already finds my Samsung Galaxy S4, and also for actually that's it. You don't need to download Samsung USB drivers, because it's the most important is to allow USB debugging. So now what we have to do, we'll make sure that at least minimum 10% of battery life is here, but that's really minimum. I advise like 25 minimum. So we power it off. And now what you will have to do, click simultaneously 3 buttons, which is volume down, then home button, and then power button. And I'll do that with the one hand, so I'll try it. Just a second, maybe I'll show it. Okay, I'm clicking. Now you hear the vibration. Oh, just a second. If you fail to do it, remove the battery. Okay. Okay. Now let's do the same and keep those buttons. Okay, you heard vibration and you wait for this. Notice. So to continue, volume up. So volume up. Okay, here we are in downloading mode, and now we will plug in the device. Okay. So it's plugged in and we see added. Now what we have to do is to put AP, go to AP, and then search for TWRP, which I downloaded. So actually it's this one. Okay, so it's here. All information is here. So now what you have to do, you have to click start and wait for it to finish. So let's do that. Okay, you can see pass already. Make sure not to move USB. So this is how it should look like. And this is what's going on now on Samsung Galaxy S4. So pretty much nothing happened, but there will be difference on when you boot into recovery. So I'll show you soon. So put it here. Okay, so that's it. Looks like nothing, but let's wait. And now we'll turn the phone off. A second. Okay, we turn it off. Or we can just remove the battery, unplug the phone, then put the battery, and then click simultaneously button up, volume up, but home button and power. So let's do that now. Okay, now I heard vibration, but nothing happens. Okay, you will see this recovery booting. That's hardly seen. Okay, but nothing happened here. Strange. Okay, let's try again. Okay, so here we are. So here it is. Okay, so here we have some options like install, wipe, making backup, restoring, mounting, settings. So lots of interesting features. And we are using either these keys or native Samsung keys. Like we go install and we can go back by clicking here. No, second. Here, yeah. So we also can wipe, and this is like choice of advanced wipe, but we are not doing now this. So we can back up. That's very interesting, but since my battery is really low, so I'm not doing this. And that's really interesting. and here are the way how to install ROMs. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have questions, please comment below. Peace out.